So today we'll look into the domains. So guys, do you have any questions in today's class? One second. So what we have done yesterday, we have created domain from the existing, by using your WebLogic server. Servers would be starting up in the production mode or in development mode. Okay. So what is the production mode? The production mode is where your actual real-time applications will be running up, where you need to have a lot of performance. When it comes to performance-wise, you should have real-time processing. So for that, we will select our Oracle JRocket, which is the recommended one, because Oracle JRocket uses JIT compiler model, where it stores all the compiled instructions into the cache, so that it can use them when the same instructions are being used again and again. And when it comes to Sanjay DK, we will use this one in development mode. And in development mode, there will be auto restarts will be there. Restarts. One second. Yeah, hello. Guys, can you give 1 minute, please? 1 minute, please. Thank you. I call 1 second. Yeah, the signal was not good. Yeah. Sure. Sure. Yeah. Yeah. Hi, all. Sorry, we got a call from the office. So, in the development mode, as we discussed that we need to have server restart. Most of the time, server restarts will be there because developer actually the developers will be what they do is they deploy into the server and they will be restarting the server so that the deployment is up and running. So that's what they do. So they have different process they are going to do for them. Okay. So for that we have to use Sanjay DK. It's a recommended one. Now, as we discussed yesterday, we have domain. It's a logical collection of machines, servers, deployments, that is applications, and services like JDBC and JMS. Okay, and going further, and a domain will have many servers, as we discussed, admin server and multiple managed servers. Okay, and managed servers are the servers where we are going to deploy our applications, and the client request will be going to your managed servers. Okay, and they are busy in processing your client requests. And the admin server is the server where it is doing all the admin activities like the startup or shutdown of the managed servers and doing the performance tuning and all your activities related to administration. Okay, and now, so what is going to happen? Okay. Shall we will first the domain we have created. The domain will be having servers. Okay, so the servers will be starting up and shutting down. We will say so. How to do those start up and shutdowns, and we will see what is the domain structure and with the file system and what are the server startup and shutdown scripts. So this is the procedure we are going to see today. So as we seen yesterday, so this is my middleware home. In that middleware home, yesterday we have created the domain, so they are created in your user projects. Okay. In that one you have domain directory as we discussed. Okay. And this is your domains home. So you can say that domains underscore home. In that one you will be having different domains. Say base underscore domain or like server underscore domain, apps underscore domain, and ADF underscore domain, like all applications related to each and every thing like apps related, all your files will be stored in apps underscore domain, and server applications, those related activities are stored in your server underscore domain. So where those applications will be running. So basically we are splitting according to our grouping. It's a logical convention, that's it. Okay. So I have base domain. Okay, so when you see this one, you will be having the important thing is here your auto deploy. So as we discussed that this is the place where the developers are going to deploy your files into this particular, that means they are going to copy the files, that is whatever the applications they are going to keep into the auto deploy directory, and they are going to restart the servers. Okay, so this is what meant for your developers, but this is only enabled in development mode. That means when we actually when we are creating a domain, okay, when we are actually selecting whether it's development mode or a production mode, the server startup modes. So at that time, if you select the production mode, this auto deploy feature is disabled by default. Okay, so we can't activate it. And when you select your server startup mode as your development mode, this auto deploy feature is enabled. So what they do is they copy their files into this auto deploy directory, and thus they will restart the server. So gets okay, that gets auto deployed straight away into the admin server by default. Okay, so this is the one you have to remember. Okay, guys, are you following? Can hear right? Just I want to confirm. Hello. Okay. Yes, yes. Because sometimes the net disconnects, and that's why that sound double check. Yeah, thank you. Okay. So
will they bounce the entire domain, or like they will ask us to bounce the domain?
it's not bouncing the domain. The server.
Or bounce the server?
Yeah, servers. The admin server will start. The domain is nothing like logical naming, but there will be servers there. We have to restart the server. Give me a second, please. 1 second. Thank you. Calls here. Hello. Yes, yes, Mr. No, no, no. Waiting for Hello. Yes, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, we are able to hear you.
Yeah, actually, problem is right also. Yeah. So we have always they will deploy the applications. I mean, they call